Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to MindYourCrypto. Today I have NUCYPHER new update, daily update. Let's see what it will do, guys, and of course make a short-term price prediction and technical analysis. I am sure that you've seen what it has done against USDT and against Bitcoin as well. It has moved against all the odds, and when I made the video back then, guys, I told you that for the mid-long term this is a great area of buying opportunity. And right now we've approached the 43 cents and we've made the first Fibonacci retracement level after so long, guys, our support level. Now we want to see where we will go. If you like the content, please hit the like button, subscribe, hit the bell button, and of course share the video. Also join our Telegram group chat. I have the link in the description down below. So let's see now where are we, guys, according to some technical analysis. I started with my Fibonacci retracement up from this top right now, guys. You can see this top from 21st February ending up to this bottom. The reason is I wanted to find more of a mid-term resistance levels, and you can see now we've made a support level, the 42 cents. We look forward to go to the 56 cents. Let's see the MACD on the 4-hour frame. What I always tell you, guys, I like the way when we are moving in the higher low, higher high pattern for the MACD in the 4-hour frame. So for now, we are seeing higher lows here and of course higher highs here. Eventually, we want to surpass the red line, the red zone here. You can see the red resistance line, which was previously formed back on 28th April. Okay, so we need to go above in order to say that we will be moving all the way upwards. If we are having now an impulsive wave, we need to check out if this will be an impulsive wave or if we have to worry about a correction soon. So let's see the new against USDT in the 4-hour frame. You can see the commodity channel index is being above the 100. This means yes, we are in an overbought situation, but it can stay like this. If we have an impulsive wave, it will stay like this for quite some time. But anyway, guys, on the 4-hour frame, I can't say anything else rather than we are having an overbought situation, therefore a risk. Okay, so for the RSI it is the same. We went upwards, now we went a little bit downwards, and now going upwards again. In an impulsive wave, what we are seeing is that we are moving in highs like this. Okay, on the 4-hour frame we are doing something like this. Back on these days, guys, if I actually show you something on February, for example, here you can see that we were moving exactly like that when we had the impulsive wave. So we need to see if we will move exactly like this. Okay, if we move like that, then yes, we are going to have more of a short-term impulsive wave towards the upwards. But right now we need to be careful because we were in an overbought situation. Now we want to see what commodity channel index will do in order to see if we have an overbought situation now and we go downwards. Let's see the SL channel. We have a buying opportunity. The green line is above the red line. We are going quickly to NUCYPHER against USD. You can see on the daily frame when we extend the top line of the Bollinger bands, we are having a risk. Therefore now, guys, we are having a very high risk. But in the meantime, you can see here, for example, we were approaching the top line of the Bollinger bands, then went back quickly inside, then just again, then went back quickly inside, then again. So in an impulsive wave, we go along with the top line of the Bollinger bands. We go near the top line of the Bollinger bands. You can see the price volume. So right here, we need to see if this will happen or if this is another major candle here that we will soon correct downwards because we have extended the top line of the Bollinger bands. We have a risk though for the daily commodity channel index. Yes, we have a risk, guys. We are in an overbought situation. However, you can see back in the days we have some more room to grow if we want to, but we are in a high risk. On the RSI though, we are still between 30 and 70. That's good, guys. But for now, for the daily commodity channel index, we are in a risk. I can't say anything else than what I see. For the MACD, eventually on the daily frame, guys, it is the first time we are having a bullish recross here and we are getting more of a distance between the lines. So for the midterm, the MACD actually looks pretty good, guys. It actually looks pretty good, especially if we can break these resistance levels. Then it will look like a reversal trend here where we might be going all the way upwards. Okay, so the MACD is still good. The daily frame on the commodity channel index is in an overbought situation. Therefore, guys, we have a risk. And of course, the Bollinger Bands here. The price extends the top line of the Bollinger Bands. So be careful, guys. On the NUCYPHER against Bitcoin, you can see that we approached the 0.540, guys, 13 to 14, around there, this area. Now we want to see what we will do, because we are in a way overbought situation for the NUCYPHER against Bitcoin. Also, for the RSI, we are approaching an overbought situation again as well, after seeing three times, guys, 1, 2, 3 times the RSI being above the 70, above this area right here. So for now, we are having a high risk involved in NUCYPHER against Bitcoin on the 4-hour frame. However, if this is an impulsive wave, then it is all good, because we have to see a higher low for quite some time right now for NUCYPHER. Okay, so for now this is good, but for the 4-hour frame we are having a risky environment. You can see on the daily frame, look at this big bullish candle here, amazing big bullish candle on the daily frame. On the NUCYPHER, we are way above the 70 and we are way above the 100 for the commodity channel index. You can clearly see now that we are in an overbought situation. We have a very high risk. So we are going now to NU against USD, guys, on the Coinbase. You can see Coinbase platform, U against USD, NUCYPHER against USD. You can see that we have one resistance line here, guys, one minor resistance line here between the two other resistance lines, 56, and of course the one we surpassed the 42. So what happens now, guys? What is the future for NUCYPHER? Okay, because we might have an impulsive wave and we might correct and then go upwards again. So if we have something like this, then we have to notice that, we have to see the market. Okay, for now, for NUCYPHER, we are having an overbought situation. Therefore, we might correct a little bit for the short term. Always have that in your mind. Due to the daily frame, guys, you can see NU against Bitcoin, NUCYPHER against Bitcoin in the 4-hour frame as well. Everything is telling us that we should be careful. However, if we see a swing high from Bitcoin, then NUCYPHER might be going more upwards. Okay, this is not impossible. This is not impossible, guys, that we might have an impulsive wave like before we saw on NUCYPHER. Let's go to the daily frame on the Bollinger Bands. We saw back then on 4th February, 2nd February, we had an impulsive wave. Okay, it is not guys, it is very logical that we might have an impulsive wave here too. We might go all the way upwards. For now, we might correct for the short term. So that's why I want you guys to be careful in these days, in a bearish market in general, where the Bitcoin, we don't know where it will go, of course, and for now it's going upwards, but in the meantime it might not be approaching the 41,000 USDT, guys, because we hope for a swing high, but we are having a bearish market. You can't be greedy on a bearish market, right? So therefore we need just to see what NUCYPHER will do. If you are a new investor and you want to invest now, I suggest you to wait a little bit. Let's see if this is an impulsive wave. Let's see if we will be correcting for a little, then going all the way upwards again, because right now there is a very high risk involved, and I always want to be honest with you guys. There is a very high risk involved in the daily frame for the Bitcoin, for NUCYPHER against the Bitcoin as well. You can see the commodity channel index. We are now approaching the 0.40. We have now approached actually the Fibonacci retracement level, the 0.5. So therefore, this looks like we have a reversal for now. NUCYPHER against Bitcoin on the daily frame, guys. You can see the bullish recross that we are about to form on the yellow line, guys, against the red line. You can see the bullish recross here that it is about to form. So therefore, okay, it is looking like a sign of a sign of an impulsive wave, guys, but for now we should wait a bit, because you can see the commodity channel index, the RSI. So if you are holding from here, from around this area, then you are absolutely fine. Just hold your coin, okay? Don't sell now, hold your coin, because we might have an impulsive wave towards the upwards. If you are a new investor, then I suggest you, this is my advice, guys, not a financial advice, I suggest you to wait a little bit, to see what the market will do, what NUCYPHER will do, because for now we are having an overbought situation, okay? So therefore you don't want to risk it here. However, NUCYPHER against USD, you can see it's going all the way upwards towards the 49 cents. Afterwards we will see what we will be doing, especially if we manage to go to the 56 cents. That will be very, very good. For now we need to wait a little bit. Our next targets are 49 and 56 cents, but always remember that we are having a very, very high risk. For now the impulsive wave continues. You can see this candle, guys, wants to surpass even this resistance, so we have one more resistance level at 0.618. This is great, guys. This is just a very, very bullish candle. You can see here we had formed this bullish candle in the previous impulsive wave 5 February, okay? So here we are forming something like this, something like 5 February. It reminds us of a very, very quick impulsive wave, although guys, for it to be an impulsive wave for the short term to for the next few days, we just need to see if we will correct if we will correct more in a short term, or we will correct just a little bit after it stops here and then go back again. So for now we are having a very high risk. However, guys, we might be forming something that we call an upward to the trend line, and of course, guys, we might go even further above. We have to see, we have to wait and see. Please be careful for now as we approach the 49 cents, a very, very critical resistance level as you can see here. And of course, our next midterm is the 56 cents. There we might go there. For now, we are having a very, very critical level, a very overbought situation right here. You can see the 4-hour frame. On the daily frame, though, on the daily frame, we are not having an overbought situation according to the RSI, and I believe that NUCYPHER can go upwards towards the 70 and even above for the RSI. So in my opinion, for the very short term, we will have a minor correction, but we will be going upwards, okay, retesting the 56 cents on 49 cents. However, if you want to be more sure, guys, if you want to be more sure about what you will do, then I suggest you to wait. Now we have climbed above the 0.4012. We are now going to the 0.618 Fibonacci retracement level. Look at this major movement from NUCYPHER. It is absolutely going crazy. And now the 20-day EMA is about to cross the 50-day EMA from this time, guys, around 18th March, where we have seen the bearish scenario here all the way down for NUCYPHER. Now it is the moment to attack. It is its moment, guys, to attack, to go against Bitcoin, to go against USD, and of course to go into the 49 cents. I know most of you had bought here, but as I've made the videos about NUCYPHER, guys, you remember back in the day I was telling you patience is the key for success in the cryptocurrency market. So now you might get repaid here, but we need to be careful, we need to be cautiously optimistic, I mean for the next price target, guys, because right now, yeah, we are optimistic in a way that we have seen the impulsive waves, okay, we have seen the impulsive waves on the 4-hour frames. You can see that we are forming very, very bullish candles here. We found support on the 200 EMA, that's why we are going all the way upwards. Now on the 4-hour frame we are going upwards again, very, very high volume. If I check the volume here, you can see that we are having very, very strong volume, and of course it is going upwards all the way. Now for the moment we need to see if we can go immediately to 56 cents or stay at 49 cents on the 4-hour frame. I will remind you that we are going into an overbought situation, so you have to be, of course, careful if you are new investor and don't FOMO in, guys. Just wait, be observating for now, but of course we need to see on the daily frame if we are having the impulsive wave that we were having back in the day, where we corrected a little bit, just went upwards again. So it looks good, guys. The MACD looks great. The commodity analytics on the daily, it looks like we are about to get an overbought situation. However, guys, we need to stay focused. Right now we are at 49 cents, at 50 cents I want to see definitely if we can reach this resistance level. Then this will mean, guys, for sure that we will be about to get to 56 cents, this price target right here. So for the daily frame for NUCYPHER against Bitcoin, you can see what it has done. It has done something incredible. It surpassed two, guys, Fibonacci retracement levels. 1, 2, and it's now going to 0.618. If it can close above, guys, if this can close above, then it is going upwards for sure. Let's see now, but we are having a very high risk for NUCYPHER against Bitcoin. You can see we are going all the way upwards to higher than 70. So guys, be careful for that. If we see Bitcoin pumping up, then it will be all good, but for now, just observe it. Thank you so much for watching. Have a fantastic day wherever you are. See you soon with many more videos. Bye.